everyone. We are heading out from Lahaina, and the plan today is to ride down to Kihei or perhaps Wailuku. Just going to play it by ear and see how it goes. Kihei was the area most badly hit by those torrential storms a couple of weeks ago, so it'll be interesting to see just how much, if any, damage has been done to the roads down to Kihei. So come along for the ride. So this is part of the old highway, which means that it's very nice and quiet to ride. So here we are back on the main highway, which can get pretty busy. This is Uluwatu, and this has to be one of the nicest spots along this part of the ride. It's just these beautiful trees hanging over the highway. It's nice and cool, and it's just so beautiful. And there are some fruit stands nestled in amongst the trees. So the shoulder has generally been pretty good, but there are times where the pavement is fairly rough. I know that Catherine is enjoying her larger 28mm tires on the roads around Maui. This might be the remnants of all that flooding from a couple of weeks ago. We'll get a better idea, I think, once we get down to Kihei. So I know there was water cascading off these rock faces a couple of weeks ago. This wind is brutal. that in the background?
That is Haleakala. We were blown into Maui Harbor.
So I forgot to tell you, back at Maui Harbor, we decided to ride into Wailuku, pick up some clothing for Catherine. Been a steady headwind all the way. And this is old Wailuku. Right now, Catherine?
We are on Market Street in Wailuku, enjoying a lovely sandwich at the Wailuku Coffee Company. Our favorite place to go when we're here.
And how's our ride been so far?
It's been good. Hopefully we don't have a headwind on the way back. I don't mind in one direction, but not both.
Okay, so we've had a little bit of a break, a little bit of lunch at the Wailuku Coffee Company, and now we are going to head back to Lahaina. I think pretty much the same way we came. We toyed with the idea of going up around the top of the island, but we've decided that would be a little bit too much for today. Nice to be riding back home with a solid tailwind now. So that was the little fruit market in Olowalu, and that is the place to go apparently if you want fresh produce. Very pleasant ride. I think we covered about 70 kilometers. We took our time. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll continue to watch as we continue to explore the island.